So things look bad and your back's against the wall. Your whole existence seems fucking hopeless. You're feeling filthy as a diaper bathroom stall. Can't face the world sober and dopeless. You've lost the way. You think your life is wrecked. Well, let me just say you're correct.
Wait, what?
You're a loser, baby. You're a loser, goddamn baby. You're a fucked up little whiny bitch.
Hey!
You're a loser just like me.
Thanks,
You're
asshole.
a loser, and only 1-star reviews. And you're a power bottom, I'm rock bottom. You got company.
This supposed to make me feel better.
There was a time I thought that no one could relate to the gruesome ways in which I'm damaged. But letting walls down, it can sometimes have to stretch. We're all living in the same ship sandwich. I sold my soul to a psychopathic freak. Ha! And you think that makes you unique? Get out of here, man. Both losers, baby, we're losers. It's okay to be a coked up, stick-sucking hoe. Baby, that's fine by me. I'm a loser, honey, a loser, and a dummy. But at least I know I'm not alone. You're a loser just like me. I got an appetite for gambling. I got an appetite for sampling every drug and sex so I can find.
Go ahead, baby, sing that song, come on.
I got no holes up to the flower. I sold my soul to save my power. Now I'm on that demon's leash. I'm tracking like this works with every hour. You're a loser, baby. A loser, just maybe. If we eat shit together, things will end up differently. It's time to lose your self-loathing. Excuse your self-loathing, baby. Why you gotta be who you are? A loser, just like